What up guys, Muffin Dot Man. Unboxing of Street Fighter X Tekken arcade stick, fight stick. So we don't need this bit. So this is the pro stick. So quite a nice design. Go back quickly. Okay, so can you see it all? Huh? Can you see all that? Yeah. This is the fight stick. Quite a nice big box. It is made by Mad Cats, but let's take a look inside. Yeah, that looks nice. Let's quickly just open this if we can. So let me quickly just open this. Yep. Comes in quite a nice box, if anything. So let's quickly just take all this out. So as you can see, it's a nicely made arcade stick. So yeah. This has been the Street Fighter X Tekken Pro Fight Stick. Thanks for watching. Peace.